Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at Fastflow, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up fast WooTags so that basically any users that purchase from your WooCommerce store, we can synchronize their purchases with various autoresponder services. So you can see we've got fast Aweber, fast ConvertKit, fast GetResponse, fast ActiveCampaign, etc. Basically, when your users make a purchase, we can add tags to those products, and then we can sync those tags with any one of these services. Now we can also sync the order status tags as well. So I'm going to show you how this works. So basically in the Fastflow dashboard you've got the Fast WooTags plugin, and when we install that it's going to create a number of tags for us. So if I show you fast tags now, at this moment there's no tags on this site, so what I'm going to do is create these tags when I install the plugin, and then we're going to create a couple of tags for the products that are in the store as well. So we're just going to install the plugin. So we're on here on the Fastflow dashboard on the add-ons page, and we're on the free tab, and we can see Fast WooTags is here. So just install this and make sure that activates. And then if we reload the tags page, you're going to see a number of tags that have been created for the order statuses that WooCommerce has. So you can see cancelled, completed, failed, on hold, payment pending, processing and refunded. Now what we need to do now is add a tag for a product. So if we look at all the products we have, so we're here, we've got a number of hypnosis products, and we're going to add this first product here, the Spirit of Being Gratitude. So we're going to copy that title and we're just going to turn that into a tag. So I'm going to paste the name of the tag in there. Just click it and then quick add. So that tag's been added, and basically that tag's going to be available for us to add to that product. So if we go into the products again and edit the product, and you'll see down here just below the product data there's a section for fast tags, and we can now add that tag for the product. We don't need to add any of these other tags because they're the order statuses, but basically when the user purchases they're going to be tagged, and if we've got one of the autoresponder integrations hooked up, it's going to sync that tag to the autoresponder system. So let's just save this. Now we need to make sure our settings in WooCommerce are also set, so that basically if the user is a guest on the site, they won't be added to WordPress, and obviously the tags won't be added. So we need to make sure that the accounts and privacy settings are set for customers to basically create an account during checkout, and we're not allowing guest checkout, so we need to make sure that the users are added to your WordPress. So the guest checkout is unchecked, and account creation, we allow customers to create an account during checkout. So once we made sure these settings are there, we're going to do a test purchase. So we're here, we're not logged into the site, we're going to look for that product that we just added. And it was the Spirit of Being Gratitude. So we're going to add this to the cart and basically check out. We're going to do a cash on delivery purchase, and this will let us see this order statuses update as well. So let's just do this. So we're now going to check out, and we're going to see what happens when we go back inside the site and the order is processed. So let's just place that order, and if we look at the orders on the site, you're going to see an order that was placed, that's 18 seconds ago. So if we go into that user, check the order, and you can see the order here. Obviously it's processing because it's a cash on delivery order, and the status is on hold. So we need to check that user. So Dave SMV. So if we go into users, you can see the user's been added. If we edit that user profile, you can see the tag here is on hold. Okay, they haven't actually got the product tag yet. So we need to basically update their order to activate that order. So if we come here, change the order status to completed, because obviously this is cash and delivery, you have to do this manually. And we update that. So the order status is now completed. If we go back and check this user, you can see the order status is now changed to completed and the spirit of being tag has been added. Now if you're using a PayPal or credit card, Stripe for example, this is all going to be done automatically, so you won't have to manually change the order process. These tags will be automatically updated once the order is processed. And then the product tag is going to be added, and you can sync that with your CRM system, whichever of these integrations you want to set up with your site. You can access them all here from the fastflow dashboard on the add-ons page. And this gives you a quick and easy way to synchronize any WooCommerce purchases with your autoresponder systems.